Hi nature boys and girls, this is Lady Flora and I'm at a tropical fruit tasting event and I'm going to taste some Mammy sapote.
Yes, because they were saying that that's the closest to the Dunkin'.
Yeah, we had some yesterday. Jen! Do we have
It's really, really good. Wow, it's really, really good. That's what I always imagined papaya would taste like, but papaya doesn't taste like that at all.
They were saying that's the closest.
It's really amazing. Oh, here's some dragon fruit over here.
The cog shell, it's similar. The Dunkin's fabulous. I want something that's more exciting. The cog shell. The cog shell is little. It's like
Wow, the dragon fruit is really, really
beautiful fruit like that. Beautiful.
not as sweet as I would have expected, but really good. I really like it. Kind of reminds me of a kiwi a little bit. Oh, and this is some jackfruit. I'm really excited about this. Kind of looks like a mango. Is this jackfruit? Is this jackfruit?
That's jackfruit, yes.
Oh, okay.
And this is Namdok My Mango.
Oh, okay. So that was a mango actually. Okay. So this is jackfruit. Wow, that's really good. Gonna try some more jackfruit. So good.
I'm so worried, like, someone's going to do something.
Thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe. I make several videos a week. And in the meantime, I hope you get to go outside and have a sublime day.